Which one's this, Mom?
This is the very first Christmas.
Okay.
All right.
This is a story of impossible things, of a baby and angels, of shepherds and kings. And though it took place years ago, far away, it's just as true now that love finds a way.
From a poor, humble stable came a new baby's cries, and the prayers of his parents as joy filled their eyes. His mother looked down on him, kissing his nose, while proud Joseph laughed at his wiggling toe.
The animals gathered, each eager to see who this little baby could possibly be. The cow shared her hay, the sheep gave his fleece, and the cat purred a song of heavenly peace.
You like this book, Manny?
Nearby in the hills, boys tended their sheep, and those who were napping were startled from sleep. For a choir of angels filled the darkness with light, giving news of the birth that had happened that night.
Across the white desert came kings from afar, who looked to the heavens and were led by a star. They came bearing treasures and riches galore to welcome the baby the world waited for.
With hearts full of wonder, everyone came, whispering, Jesus, the sweet baby's name. Each gave what they had from treasures and gold to the stories of angels the shepherd boys told.
Hold on, we're reading this one.
But that very first Christmas, best case of all, was the baby himself getting up in the stall.
When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang for life there to see the way we love you. To his team gave a whistle.
Oh. Hey, Madeline. Nan and Granddad are going to see this video. You want to say something to them? What do you... Say hi, Nana. Hi, Granddad. What do you say to them for the presents?
Did you like
Can you
reading
blow...
the books?
Eva and Maddie, blow kisses.
Eva, can you do this?
Out on the lawn there arose.
Keep
Matt.
it up.
This is a
Maddie.
story of impossible
Oh, all right.